Are you looking for ways to grow back your edges, your bald spots, if you're suffering from alopecia, stunted growth, hair breakages, or anything related to hair growth? Then this simple recipe is going to change your life. After I did my big chop, I was struggling to grow my hair. I was experiencing a lot of hair breakages and hair shedding. But after discovering natural ingredients, learning the right way to use them, and also the right way to care for my hair, now my hair is growing much thicker and more beautiful. And I share all these tips right here on this channel, and this video is one of them. So make sure you're watching to the end. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're one of my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos, giving them thumbs ups, and even sharing them. And if you're stopping by for the first time, I appreciate you clicking on this video, and I can promise you're going to learn a lot. One of my natural ingredients for today's recipe is garlic. Garlic is a very powerful natural ingredient that we are all sleeping on. But today, I'm going to tell you why you should add garlic to your hair care regimen. Garlic has sulfuric acid, and this is really great for your scalp. It helps kill bacteria that causes dandruff and other scalp issues. It also helps improve blood circulation around the head, which helps to improve new healthy hair growth. And guys, let me tell you something about today's recipe. Today's recipe is very simple, easy to prepare, with 3 simple ingredients that everybody has in their kitchen. It is so powerful that you must take it seriously if you're suffering from any hair issues like dandruff, alopecia, hair breakages, or any hair growth problems. And I'm going to introduce my next ingredient. But before doing that, you know how we do it here. But if you're new here and do not know how we do it here, we show a lot of love around this channel. So show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And do not forget to share this video with your friends and families as well as on your social media platforms, because you might not know who you'll be helping to solve their hair issues. Alright, so my next ingredient is ginger. Ginger is very common in everybody's kitchen. It is really powerful, and guys, you should take ginger seriously. Ginger improves blood circulation in the scalp to help you grow new healthy hair. It also prevents hair loss, hair shedding, and also treat dandruff. It strengthens your hair roots as well as your hair follicles. So after peeling the ginger with my spoon, I'm going to make sure to wash it very well because it always has some dirt on it. After washing my ginger clean like so, I'm going to cut it into little pieces, and I'm going to introduce to you my next ingredient. These ingredients, as I said, is so powerful and you shouldn't be sleeping on this recipe. The only thing is you just have to know the right way to use it, because if you don't know how to use this simple recipe, you're not going to get all the benefits out of it. And guess what? I'm going to show you exactly how to use it. Actually, there are 2 ways you can use this simple recipe. So make sure you're not skipping any part of this video so you do not miss any important information that I'll be sharing with you on this simple remedy. So at this point, I'm going to add my chopped ginger as well as my chopped garlic into my saucepan. And after that, I'm going to put it aside and introduce my next natural ingredient. The next ingredient I'm going to use is onions. Feel free to use any onion of your choice. Onion is really great when it comes to regrowing back your hair. Onions contain sulfur, and sulfur is really great for our hair. It will help prevent hair breakages, hair loss, and also strengthen your hair strength. Onions, when added to your hair care regimen, will help you grow your hair much faster, thicker, and even much more longer, because it's going to stop hair loss or hair shedding. It is going to help you return some length. So after cutting my onions like so, I'm going to make sure I give it a good rinse, and I'm going to chop it into little pieces. And I guess at this point, after knowing all the natural ingredients, you might be wondering how the smell is going to be like. But guess what? Yes, it has a very strong smell, but there is something I'm going to show you that will prevent it from smelling, so you can use this on your hair without having any smell at all. So make sure you're not skipping any part of this video because I'm going to show you a very simple trick to use. So after chopping my onions, I'm going to put it in the saucepan and add it to the other natural ingredients. And here you are. If you're still watching this video to this point, it means you're really enjoying it. And guess what? I really enjoyed filming this video. So please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will not miss out. And guess what? I would love for you to share this video with your friends and your families as well as on your social media platforms because you might not know who you'll be helping to grow their hair much faster or to solve their hair issues. So at this point, I added some water to my natural ingredients. There is no measurement to this. Just feel free to add any amount of water to it depending on the quantity you're trying to prepare. Alright, so after adding the water, I just pop it on the stove and at this time I'm going to leave it to boil for 5 minutes. As soon as it starts boiling, you want it to boil for 5 minutes, okay? Not when it hasn't started boiling, but when it starts boiling, you're going to wait for it to boil for 5 minutes. Then you're going to set it aside and allow it to cool down. At this point, my treatment is all cooled down and it is time to strain it. You can use any means you have to strain this recipe. I'm also going to show you 2 ways to get rid of the strong smell. And after learning about these 2 tricks, you're going to love the smell of this recipe and you'll have no problem leaving it in your hair. I'm also going to show you 2 ways to use this recipe in order to get all the benefits out of it. The first way to get rid of the smell is by using lemon. Lemon, aside getting rid of the smell, has other properties that is very beneficial to your hair. It contains vitamin C, which helps to boost the production of collagen, which is also great when it comes to hair growth. Adding lemon to your hair care regimen is going to strengthen your hair strands and your hair follicles to prevent them from breaking. It can also prevent dandruff. The second way that you can get rid of the smell is by adding any essential oil of your choice. You can use either the lemon or any essential oil of your choice. You can use tea tree oil, lavender oil, any essential oil that you love the smell. I decided to use lavender oil because I love the smell, and aside that, it can also treat dandruff, prevent hair breakages, and also strengthen my hair strands. And guys, after adding either of these 2 natural ingredients that I just introduced, your recipe is going to smell amazing. You can either use this recipe 3 days before your wash day. So when it's about 3 days to your wash day, you're going to be spraying this in your hair every single day on your scalp, then massage it into your hair. Then on your wash day, you wash it with your shampoo. But if it's too strong for you to leave in your hair, you can use it on your wash day. So what you're going to do is you spray it in your hair. If you're suffering from bald spots, if your edges are not growing, just concentrate on that part. Massage it in, cover your hair for about an hour. Then after that, you're going to wash your hair with a mild shampoo. Be consistent with this for better result. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.